COVID-19 and education. How has the landscape changed?
Parents are going to prioritize and say, look, it has to be a choice of whether or not we're going to buy data, or it's a case where we'll have to buy food with the little money that we have.
How are the students coping?
You have to access email, Google, download apps. Some of us don't have that advantage.
Being online with my classmates feels like I'm in my normal class. I really enjoy it.
And what about CXC exams?
Whilst they have decided to go with the exam in July, Jamaica could not endorse that date.
Join us for another RJRGleaner Group virtual town hall this Thursday, May 14 at 8:30 p.m. on TVJ, JNN, OneSpotMedia.com, The Gleaner Online, Radio Jamaica, Power 106 FM, and TVJ's YouTube channel. Send us your questions to 876-381-0072. That's COVID-19 and education.